Juice box, boy.
What up guys, I'm back at it. Today I'm doing the tail lights on the Jeep. I don't know why, but when I bought that Jeep, I don't know why the fuck they put purple purple tail lights. I don't know what gave them the idea of doing purple tail lights, but yeah, that shit's gotta go. So that's literally the first thing I've ordered for this car, and I went with LEDs. I think the LEDs look the best. They're just the red ones. I know they sell the white ones, like the clear ones, I guess, and they sell like smoked ones. But I just went with red. I think red looks good right now. I might get my homie to paint them black for me, just because I feel like the black ones that they sell on eBay or wherever you get your tail lights, they don't look that great. I'd rather pay my homie like 150 bucks to paint them, or whatever he charges. But everybody always asks like, oh, where do you get your stuff? Where do you get your stuff? To be honest, I just get a lot of my shit from eBay, unless like it's something specific that I'm looking for. But this is something simple, man. It's just tail lights. These are it. They costed $168 or $160 or some shit like that. I don't fucking know. But these are it. Very common. These are the best looking ones you could get, like I said. Let me open this shit real quick. All right, guys, I opened it. These are it, the LEDs with the white reverse mark. Yeah, I'm gonna go on some. These are easy as fuck. I'm also gonna do the rear fog lights. I'll show you guys. I'll put a link for whatever where you could get them. But this is for my 2009 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I'll show you what you guys need to do. Very easy, simple install. I'll show you guys. But yeah, let's get to it.
All right, motherfuckers, we got these purple lights for sale. That way they can match your girlfriend's
G-string.
You know you want them, 20 bucks, come get them. We'll even sign them. Big Chi-Chi and extra big Chi-Chis. But anyways, back to the tail lights. So this plug right here is gonna be your reverse light, but you're gonna have to steal the light bulb from the main plug that goes. This main plug is gonna be to the LEDs now. And then this reverse light, you're gonna have to steal this light bulb, or else you ain't gonna have no reverse, unless you're savage like that. But I'm scared. All right, we're gonna put this on, and then we'll show you how they work. That way you could get wet and buy some. Behind the scenes. Gotta get them Instagram likes. Yeah. From the old to the new, yeah. I'm gonna get all the bitches now. Hell yeah.
Already?
Little does he know he's gonna get all the guys. Huh?
That's how it is, nigga. When you get a car, it's all guys instead of bitches.
Yeah. Damn Hellcat SRT fucking Jeep 300 fucking 5.0 killer. I don't know what the fuck. All right, look at that. Brake. Turn signal. Put it in reverse, Terry. Ghost cam. Goes right. What do you think, guys? Should this foot go 22s black, or he should stay 20s?
All I know is you need to change those calipers.
I say 22s, but not black, because I don't like black. But
what color calipers?
Calipers? Damn, they are fucked, huh?
Yeah, bad.
Hell yeah. Should have left the purple taillights with purple fucking calipers, fool. I don't know. Put gold and then called it gold dust a la verga. You know you want them, fools.